At the end of the counting period, after you've recorded your adjusting entries, you should run a journal report that shows only your adjusting entries, and you should save it for future reference. So the way we do this is we're going to go to Reports, Accountant and Taxes, and we're going to choose a report called Adjusting Journal Entries. Now we only want to see the adjusting journal entries that we entered on February 28th, 2019. So the From field should be 02/28/19, and the To field should also be 02/28/19. I hit refresh, or I tab, and then it automatically refreshes. And now we've got our journal report, and it's only showing the 7 adjusting entries that we have recorded for the month of February. Now as soon as I open up this report, I notice I have an error. Notice I do not have a memo explaining how I calculated adjusting journal entry 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my cursor over the transaction, and then I'm going to, once it turns into a magnifying glass, I'm going to double click it to fix it. So now I can enter the memo, which should have been straight line depreciation, open parentheses, $3,000 costs minus $120 residual value divided by 4 years equals $720 per year, which equals $60 depreciation per month. And then QuickBooks asks, do I want to save that change? Yes. Then I can save and close. And now I have the memo in there correctly. If you want, you can widen these columns. You don't have to do that for me. It's not a requirement. So now we have a report that we can either print or export to Excel with this button in the real world, and save it for the future in case we're ever questioned about how we calculated these adjusting entries.